afternoon, Rutgers University. This is Kevin Gaynor with your Tuesday, November 25th afternoon weather watcher forecast. I hope everybody's getting ready for this holiday weekend. Unfortunately, there will be a little bit of a storm before we get to Thanksgiving, but I'll get to that later. For our current readings at Rutgers Gardens, 53 degrees with a dew point of 30 degrees, humidity at 41%, and northwest winds at 5 miles per hour. For our weather headlines for today, wintry mix throughout the day tomorrow. That will be causing some hazardous driving conditions on one of the busiest travel days throughout the year, so make sure you're careful on the roads tomorrow. And after that is said and done, a chilly but clear Thanksgiving. For our current temperatures across the state, Sussex and New Brunswick coming at 53, Newark, Toms River, Atlantic City, and Wildwood 54, and Camden and Millville 55. For our 3-hour radar loop for the past 3 hours, nothing much happening across New Jersey, overcast skies, but as we pan out across the nation, you can see what is going to be giving us that storm tomorrow. Currently, there's a low pressure system over the coast of North Carolina that will be skirting up the coast towards New Jersey tomorrow, bringing the precipitation with that. That and a combination of cool air from the Great Lakes region will be pushing down, causing that wet precipitation to change over into snow tomorrow. And as we look at a future cast for tomorrow, the clouds we have right now will be pushed out by rain tomorrow early morning. That rain will be covering most of the state, and the southern half of the state will be getting heavier rain and thunderstorms. That rain in northern New Jersey will be turning over to snow pretty quickly, with a wintry mixed line covering the I-95 corridor and the northern half of the state getting heavy amounts of snow. But that snow will be off and on throughout the day, being pushed out finally by a little bit of rain, so some of that snow might not be sticking around till Thanksgiving for certain areas around us. Fortunately, that snow and wet weather will not be sticking around all Thursday for Thanksgiving, giving us a clear but cloudy Thursday, and much of the same for Friday. Now, as we look at our evening planner, mostly cloudy skies and cooling conditions for the night. 6 p.m. 51 degrees, 9 p.m. 46, and around midnight 45 degrees. For our overnight low temperature, 38 degrees, and a chance of rain well after 2 a.m. coming in with that storm. North winds 5 to 7 miles per hour. Now tomorrow morning around 8 a.m. that wintry mix does come in, temperature of 38, northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. So if you're going to class tomorrow early morning or just driving, make sure you are careful on the roads. It is going to be wet and icy. For our 7-day forecast, Wednesday, that storm causing all this snow and wintry mix, high of 41, low of 32. That will be pushed out for Thursday on Thanksgiving, cloudy skies, high of 39, low of 24. Friday, sunny skies, high of 37, low of 26. Mostly sunny on this weekend with a high of 43 and a high of 53 on Saturday and Sunday respectively, and a chance of rain on Monday, high of 51. To stay up to date with this storm and all the weather information for Rutgers, you can check us out on RUTV channel 23.1 every 15 minutes. Like us on Facebook at RU Weather Watcher. Follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW. Hashtag us at hashtag RUWeather, especially if you see any cool snow stuff tomorrow. Or go to our website at weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. This is Kevin Gaynor. Have a nice Thanksgiving, everybody.